It's spring! Finally! I am so ready for spring. So today let's do a little bit of a colorful look. I'm going to do some flowers on my face. I don't know why I like this part of my face. I guess it's just where I like to do my makeup. So I'm going to do eye makeup, and right here I'm going to start with my base and I'm going to put on my eyebrows, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. It's going to be, I'm going to do a very colorful like little thing right here with eyeshadow, and then I'm going to take face paints, like cream colored paints, and make flowers and some vines. And I'm also going to tie my eyes into it, and we'll go from there and see what happens. Alrighty? So I'm going to get my base on and my eyebrows on, and I will be right back. My base is done, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Electric Palette, and I'm going to be using the bright pink, the darker pink, the purple, and the light blue. And I'm going to put that on here like as like a gradient. I'm going to start pink here and go darker, and then go purple, and then go blue, and make it like a gradient all the way down. And then I'm going to take my cream paints, and I'm going to use the dark blue, the pink, the light blue, and the green for the stems for flowers on my face. And then I'm going to go up onto my eyes and use the same colors on my nose and my face onto my eyes and tie it all in together. So I'm just going to kind of do it, and I'm going to use a voiceover to walk you through it all. So taking a nice big fluffy brush, dipping into the light pink called Savage, I am dabbing that all over my nose and making that opaque. Taking a little bit of a fluffier brush, dipping into that dark pink called Jilted, and putting that on the outside edges of my nose and slightly blending that out almost to my cheek. After that, I'm going to take a little bit more of a compacted brush and bring in purple, which is also called Urban, and bring that about, I don't know, all the way past the eyes or so. And then I'm going to be going in with the blue called Chaos and blending that all the way out to my ears. I even get it on my ears. So at first, the light pink, the Savage color, isn't as dark as I want it to be on my nose for some reason. It just didn't want to stick very well. And so I went back in with Savage and darkened that up with a fluffier, more compact brush. And while doing this, I'm feathering this out with my finger and my brushes and whatever I can get my hands on to feather it out so it doesn't look so sharp, like a solid edge. There I am going in with Chaos on a wet brush on accident, so I kind of got a really big patch right there. So I just took a smaller brush and started blending it out. And don't mind this sassy face of like the lips always being puffed out. I don't know what that's all about. I think that's just the way I get into all the creases and crevices. So next I dip into my cream paints with a smaller brush. I think it's a small eyeshadow brush, and this is a light blue butterfly. I'm not making it a butterfly because I think that's what it looks like. And I take some green and put the middle little doohickey in the middle of the butterfly, and then I take a little bit of a darker blue and shade the butterfly a little bit. And then after all that, I'm just going to start throwing flowers all over my face and connecting them with vines. I am really upset about losing, I don't know how, but I apparently lost the rest of my face stuff with the flowers and everything. But all you really do is just put random flower shapes on your face and put a little yellow dot in the middle, and there you go, there's a flower. And then connected them all with vines and made some swirlies and some pretties, and you will see that in a little while. And then we will move on to the eyeballs. recently in the video that I lost, I also had done my eyes. So what I did was I took the light blue Chaos, put it in the crease of my eye, put some of the dark blue in it, and then on the outer corner I did the purple, which is Urban, and then in the middle I did the dark purple, or the dark pink, which is Jilted, and then on the very inner corner I did the light pink, which is Savage, and then I took some silver and I dabbed that on the very, very inner corner of my eye. Here I am highlighting Cupid's bow, chin. Now I'm going to line my eyes. Throw on some cat eyeliner. Time for mascara. Then for my lips, because I don't want it to take away from everything else, I'm going to use Crucifix by Kat Von D. I am very much in love with this look, actually. I think it came out really cute. It was just kind of like a winged idea, but I really like it. I really like the blend of the pink to the blue. I think it's really pretty. So, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!